In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of any object in Adobe Lightroom Mobile. With your photo selected, tap on the Selective tab found on the bottom left. Then tap on the plus icon and select the brush tool. You can use these icons to adjust the brush size and hardness if you need to. I'll start by dragging my finger over the leaf to paint over it. The red overlay indicates the areas that you can adjust with the tabs on the bottom. Before you continue painting, make sure that you colorize your currently selected area with the color that you want. Tap on the Color tab and drag the saturation slider to the left to reduce all saturation. Then, tap and drag over the color gradient to colorize the area that you painted over. I'll select this green color, it looks pretty good. To adjust the brightness of your new color, you can tap on the Light tab. From here, you can decrease the shadows and the exposure to darken your new color. Once you have your perfect color, you can continue painting over the leaf. Remember that you can pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in so that you can easily paint over the smaller details. When you're done, tap on the check mark to commit the changes. You can tap and hold over your image to see the original photo and release to see the edited version. I would love to see your results. If you decide to upload this onto Instagram, make sure that you use the hashtag PTCVids. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you again in the next video.